Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this awesome bonnet you guys are seeing from Sonic Bonnet. This bonnet isn't your regular everyday bonnet, guys. It's a first of its kind, and I'm going to be unboxing it and telling you all about it. So guys, Sonic Bonnet is a luxuriously silky bonnet with the power of Bluetooth technology. Yep, you heard it right. This bonnet has the power of Bluetooth technology. Guys, if you're like me and you're always losing your earpods, then this bonnet is perfect for you. Sonic Bonnet has a slogan that makes so much sense, and the slogan is self-care for the mind, body, and hair. So as you can all see on the packaging, guys, the bonnet is compatible with Apple and Android. It's also got built-in microphone, so you can answer your phone calls and do so much more. So the bonnet I have in this is in the color rose, which is like a deep reddish pinkish color. And as you guys can see, the packaging is very simple. The bonnet comes with a charger and instruction leaflets so you guys know how to use it. So as you guys can see, the instructions tells you how to turn this on, how to turn it off, how to connect it to your devices, answer calls, and so on. It's very easy to use, and you may not even need to read the instructions. I definitely didn't have to read them, so you don't have to. On the other side of the instruction leaflet, there's a QR code that takes you to like a video on how to wash this bonnet. So maybe if you'd be wondering, how do I wash this? Just like I'm doing, open your camera and point it at the QR code, and it's gonna give you a pop-up. When you tap on it, it's gonna take you straight to the video, which is gonna tell you how to wash this. It's very simple, very easy. So as you guys can see, this bonnet is a silky one, which means it's amazing for your hair, guys. And as you can all see, these are the speakers for each ear. And this bonnet is quite large, you guys. So even if you have a hairstyle like braids or dreadlocks, you can definitely still use this. So guys, this bonnet can last up to 3 days or more without needing to charge, which I think is pretty amazing. You can listen to your music, listen to your podcasts, watch videos, take phone calls, all from this bonnet, which is amazing. If you're someone who loves to fall asleep to rainfall or maybe music or, other weird sounds, then this is great for you. You can just fall asleep without worrying about your earphones or your earbuds coming out of your ear, or maybe disturbing other people. Just peacefully listen to your own thing through your bonnet. How awesome is that? How awesome is that, guys? So to connect this to your device, it's very straightforward, guys. Just turn it on by holding the middle button for 3 seconds, and you should see it in your devices, and just tap on it and it's going to be connected. Simple, easy. So as you guys can hear, it's playing nicely. I'm playing this nice song. And if you want to change the songs or maybe return to the previous song, all you have to do is press the plus button or the minus button. And the same if you want to turn the volume up and down, hold it, do the same thing. But everything will be on the instruction leaflet to tell you exactly how to use this. So the charger that came with this bonnet is just a cable. It doesn't come with a charger head. So if you have one, just go ahead and connect it. You can also connect this to your laptop, your computers, other things that takes a USB and it's gonna charge. So guys, that's it. No more losing your earpods. Head over to their website and get yourself a Sonic Bonnet. As you guys can see, it's definitely worth it and it's really good for the money as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was a quick review. Let me know what you think in the comment box, and maybe if you want to buy it as well, let me know. I really want to see what people think about this because I think it's pretty cool. But don't forget to like this video, guys. Share it so other people can know that this is out there as well. And if you're new on this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as usual, guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.